Magufuli is one of the African presidents which is highly missed by most Africans. Me personally, I miss Magufuli a lot. The Magufuli dream for Africa was true Pan-Africanism, not just protecting yourself from ICC after staying long in power. Magufuli wanted the Africa which is truly independent and self-reliant. Africa where tractor is made in, Africa where medicines are made in, guns protecting the people. Magufuli wanted a manufacturing and robotic Africa, while preserving the culture of Africa. This is something which is very important, and many people and many presidents in Africa will fail to do. And I've seen the current sitting Kenyan president, that lady, does not carry on that dream. Actually, she got lucky that the constitution put her in that place. Maybe the president that would elevate again the Magufuli dream for Africa could be Ibrahim Traore. So in this video, I'm just trying to provoke thoughts which is near facts. It may be logical or seems optical, but that's it. We miss Magufuli and we miss his kind in Africa. Thank you.